Today we have the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This is the 70th anniversary model and it has done just over 2,600 miles. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right we have voice control, a heated steering wheel, and we can get a good view of our virtual cockpit. Using our mode dial, we can switch between sport mode, tour mode, my mode, and weather mode. On our home screen, this is where we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, climate control and users, navigation, smartphone integration, audio and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with our parking camera with parking sensors.